What's up, bitches? Oh my god. Last night I saw like my friend and everything. She wanted to prostitute and stuff. So, you know, I've known her like for 20 years. She was 16 years old when I met her and everything. So she was in my circle of rumors, the club. So there was 20 of us, and she's in the gang too. And she's a transsexual and stuff. And so she didn't make any money. So we were walking, and then I saw a woman and a man, and the woman gave me like almost like $17. And so since my girl has a drug issue and stuff like that, I was like, here's $15, and she gets paid, so she pays me back. So then she didn't have to sell herself. I just got up. Probably look like crap. But anywho, I went to Jack in the Box, and my friends fed me and stuff like that because, you know, I got their back and everything. So it's raining. Okay. Okay. And alright, and then I'm plugging my phone, see, on the outside. Damn, you get the plug outside. Anywho, I was telling everybody, it's like, man, I'm short. Everybody's taller than me, but I'm a scrapper. So anyway, you know, you gotta earn respect to get respect, right? And you protect your friends, and you protect your circle of 3+1. And so knowledge that I was never able to go and sleep in the tent because they always thought that I had some money, but I was actually poor. You know, I've been on the street from 13 to 23 to 34 to 37, and now I'm 38. And the thing about it is, you know, because I came out of prison for slitting my ex-husband's throat because I caught him changing my baby's diaper. She was only 2, and I was like, what the fuck? You know, you don't change my baby's diaper. It's not your baby. And so I kicked his ass that night, made him confess to his family. Fucking come to find out, he was a millionaire, and he lied about everything. And so he was gay, and so he went to Korea and had a fucking prostitute girlfriend. So he totally disrespected me, and I wasn't jealous. It was because I told him, I said, you can have girlfriends or whatever, but don't disrespect me. And so the guy is about to blow some shit. But both out bitches, I died for you.